OMG,
Dude, I need like a nice balanced brown.
I'm going to cry.
It's C0 free entity deal.
Say Bobby dead. Wait, did I use this? Did I use the... This is chocolate sprinkle brown.
Great Bigfoot only if it's dangerous.
I think I used this one yesterday. Dude, where's the other brown that I just got out?
Chocolate book brown.
Wait, this one. Yo, this is literally teddy bear brown. This is literally teddy bear brown. Yo, kebab. What's good, kebab?
Very interesting. Will the mascot outfit also feature Kebab VZ, the worm on it?
Kebab.
Good question, Tom.
Okay.
Actually, good question.
Call them ladies instead of girls.
You're fired.
But K-E-Bob VZ, K-E-B-O-B-B-Z.
He was just asking a question.
At C0 rupted underscore if 3 entity.
He was just asking a question, kebabs.
I did something amazing today and I'm really proud.
You don't have to fire
I
him.
saw this swan.
I was never
Dude,
hired.
Wayne sounds like Gramps, dude.
C-O-B-B.
And it's fucking with me.
And now you never will come. Wayne, cancel it.
Dude, this shit is not...
I see.
I feel like this is not
it.
it.
Not a right in Kebab VZ workplace. But K-Bob VZ jokes on you. I don't want to work for a worm.
Suzanne and Chilia what? Why?
But wait, the great
True.
Bigfoot, you're the best. Kebab a dictator like cake.
We do not hit animals here, Wayne.
Dude, I can't figure out which brown I used for this shit, dude.
3 entity. Thank you.
Can I get a digital copy of this picture though?
Digital copy? You want the NFT?
Weepington.
Yo, Tom,
you
dude.
for 0
Yo,
viewers.
Tom. You want the NFT? Assad? That's gonna cost you, dude. You gotta outbid, dude.
The sprinkles.
This is
I remember the name.
chocolate sprinkles?
Yes, please.
No. I used this one yesterday.
Camel.
I love you, cake. I used this yesterday for the first layer of the fur.
Joke's on you.
How
I
much?
screenshotted
You
it
gotta-
already. It's my NFT now.
No screenshotting, dude.
KTT cake arrived.
No
I
screenshotting.
like this stream. It makes me feel safe. I go again.
No screenshotting, dude.
Go Pat Swain.
Yo, delete the screenshot, dude.
Gamble for the NFT.
What?
I
Delete
love
the
you,
screenshot. No screenshotting.
Wayne. No.
Delete it right now, dude.
I will blacklist.